Let's see, Mrs. Zabrana. It's Leah. Hi. Your daughter, Elaine. Hey, Mary. Oh, sure. Yeah. I'm Terry. Terry. My sister. She's not that. Hi, Terry. I'm sure I probably missed it somewhere. Get it, Adam! I gotta get that.
Good play, Adam. Good play.
Come on, Red.
There you go, guys. Good job.
Go, Andrew. Come on. Stay quickly. You gotta race him.
Our design was that really easy. What?
Terry.
And he made.
Oh, yeah. Very nice to meet you. Nice to meet you,
Defense.
Twelfth grade.
Kick it out, Alex. There you go. There you go. Come on, Alex. Down the field. Down the field. Good job, Alex.
Come on, Patrick. Good job, Alex.
There you go. Hey, hold the front.
Oh, really? Good job, go, Pat, go! Come on, Andrew, get up there!
Come on, Patrick.
Good job, Parker. Stay out of the pack a little bit. Get it, Parker. Good job. Good, Peter. Looking lazy out there today. I don't know. I went to work this morning and spent the night at my mom's last night.
There's always a reason.
I was just saying. Number 11
You know what? What is my thing? There are two number 11. The other one.
Come on, Red. Come on, Red.
They have the same number?
Come on, defense.
I forgot about that. I think I knew that at one time. Noticed it and then...
I know. A lot of times pawpaw.
Good job. Good job.
Yeah.
Go, 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 Patrick. Go, Patrick. Woo. Go, go. Come on, Patrick. Oh, you passed. Get it. Good job. Are you playing? Good on. I think it's like That's it. Yeah.
Get in there, Red.
Come on, Andrew.
Everybody's got a skirt on. It's the thing. I know it's Virginia's got it on.
Sometimes it is. I don't know. Some of them are a little too short. That one's okay. And I have to always tell her,
That's amazing.
Good job, Jake.
Good job, Adam. My friend's daughter spent the night at the house. She had a shirt on. Come on, Alex. She over on the slide. I'm like, come on, Andrew. Get back. He was really feeling free that day. Good job. Go, go.
Parker.
Good job, Parker. Get to that ball. Down the line, down the line, down the line. Good throw.
What? Look at the center. You need to run more then. Good job. Way to go, Parker. Get in there, Red. Get in there, Red. Run, Red. Go, 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 go. Get it. Get up, you're fine. I'm not baby. Crap. My heart hurts. He's all down, doesn't get up. What is it? Oh. I didn't see you back there. How was that? I'm glad my boyfriend's not here right now. Guys today?
Thank you. I had him yesterday. Nice. I'm going red, and then I looked at it after it was done. Oh my gosh. It's red. Yeah. It's red.
I like it a lot, actually.
I like it a little darker.
Go on in the sunlight a little bit. You see it. Oh, isn't that pretty? In the sun.
Come on, Alex. Come on. There you go. There you go. Good job.
I'm getting mine.
Good job, Fred. Come on, Patrick.
Well, this hair doesn't go into red.
Well, they are. Heck if I know. I don't know who the 15th president is. Marcy, do you know who the 15th president is?
Come on, guys. Come on, come on,
I remember when I was dating on. Oh, yeah, me too. I can do that. I won a bet on that one night. Somebody bet me I couldn't name all 50 states. I go, oh, I think I can. How much time are you going to give me? And he goes, oh, 10 minutes. I go, okay. Alabama, Alaska, Arizona. I go, how's that? Alphabetical order. And he's like, that's not fair. And I go, what? You made a bet not knowing? He goes, I'm not paying up. I go, oh, yeah, you are. I never learned those presidents, though. I'm impressed.
Yeah, that was a high school story. Wow.
Why would you do this? Get it out of here. Hey, Andrew, I'm here to see you get a goal today. I came to see you get a goal today. What's the matter? Oh, good. Okay, good.